How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem. So if you have been trying to categorize your messages and DMs in general or primary option, but you're not unable to do so, that is because you don't have your professional mode turned on Instagram. So if you go to your Instagram profile at the bottom right corner, as you can see here, if you had your professional account turned on, it will show you a professional dashboard. Since it's not on, you're not able to see it. What I'm going to do now is tap on the three lines at the top right and then scroll down until you find this option called Account Type and Tools. Simply head over to Switch to Professional Account and then keep tapping Next. Select what best describes you, and if you want to display it on your profile, you can toggle this button on as well. Now tap on Switch to Professional Mode. And from here, you will be taken to another page where you have an option to create business or creator account. It doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to tap on Creator Account for now, and then tap Next. Then keep tapping Continue. And once you have done that, you could just go back, and if I just refresh my profile, I'm able to see the professional dashboard here on my profile, which means that I'm able to now select my messages to primary or general option. So if I head over back to my home screen and then tap on messages at the top right, here you'll be able to see primary, general, and requests. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically fix this issue. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.